Start the preparation of this cheesecake with the crust. 300 grams of any ground biscuits. 100 grams of powdered sugar or to taste. 50 to 100 grams of roasted ground hazelnuts. You can also use walnuts. Now mix this a little. Then pour in 100 grams of melted butter, 100 milliliters of milk, add 1 full tablespoon of Nesquik. You can use cocoa or 50 grams of grated chocolate. Now mix everything. The crust mixture is ready. If you prefer a crispier crust that crumbles more, do not add all 100 milliliters of milk. Grease the bottom of the mold with a little oil to make it easier to remove the crust later. You can use this acetate foil, or instead you can place baking paper. Now add the entire crust mixture and spread it evenly. Once the crust is leveled like this, place it in the refrigerator. Move on to preparing the cream. Here I have 500 milliliters of plant-based pre-sweetened whipped cream. To the softly whipped sweet cream, add 400 grams of cream cheese. Choose cream cheese that is not previously salted and that is not sour. You can use sweet cream, but then add 300 grams because it is more sour. If you have decided for dairy sweet cream, then now be sure to add 100 grams of powdered sugar. When I divided these two creams, I left this cream to be just slightly smaller than this one, because here I will add 200 grams of Nutella. Mix everything a little more to even it out finely, and both creams are ready. Take the crust out of the refrigerator, then spread the creams. When working this way, press the filling downward so you don't end up with air pockets. Well, that was scary. This is how one of my cakes already turned out, but on the floor. Put the cake in the fridge before adding ganache topping. Once the cake has cooled, make the chocolate ganache. Put 250 milliliters of whipped cream over 200 grams of dark chocolate. Pour hot whipping cream over it. Wait a little for the chocolate to start melting, then mix everything together. Leave the prepared ganache like this to cool, then pour it over the cake. Give it a little shake so the chocolate settles better. You can also give it one sharp tap. Then put it back in the refrigerator. You can even it out with a spatula like this.